So what is this in Python and what does it mean? I'm going to explain it in this video. So as you can see, we have stored this number into a variable called x. And now we want to print that x variable, but we want to print that in a specific format. So in order to do so, we use the f string, and this f is formatting the way that we want to print that stuff. So I open a curly bracket and I close the curly bracket, and inside this curly bracket, I should specify what do I want to print. So I want to print x, and I should put a colon, and after this colon, I should specify the format. And in this case, it is greater sign and the number 10. And we want to know what is the meaning of this. So before that, let's count the number of characters of our numbers. So as you can see, our number has 1, 2, 3, and remember that the decimal is also a character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our number has 6 characters. And when we are printing this, using this specific format, we are saying that we want to print 10 characters. So this 10 basically means that we want to print 10 places. We want to have 10 places in the output. And this greater sign means that we are going to align this number to the right. So if I run the code, as you can see, the number of total places is 10, and we have aligned our number to the right. But now here are some tricky questions that you may ask. So first of all, what about a number which has more than 10 characters? The answer is it is not going to truncate the number, and it is going to print the whole number. Next question. What if we want to align all this stuff to the left? That's very easy. You can use the less than sign. And here is another question. How we can align our number to the center? So in order to do so, that's very easy. You can use the caret symbol. And if I run a code, we can see our number is aligned to center. But now I really suggest you to watch this video, which is on the screen now.